Hi, my name is Nate Rubin, and today I'm going to be showing you the Smartbeat monitor. We've built a monitor which, in addition to video and audio, can actually show you your baby's breathing and alert you if there's any problems. The way this works is if I took a video of your newborn while he or she were sleeping and played it back for you, you probably couldn't tell if they were breathing or not. However, if I took that same video and played it back 5 times faster, it would become very apparent that the baby was breathing. And the reason this is because our eyes are not very good at seeing slow and subtle movements. However, a camera can be trained to do just that. And for the last 5 years, our team has been working hard to make algorithms that can turn just a simple camera into a life-saving device. So, let me actually get up and close with the hardware here. So this is a typical night vision lens, and these are infrared LEDs that can illuminate the baby in the dark so that you and I can't see it. This is a standard cable for power, and our beta test will come with adhesive cable guides to keep it close to the wall, and if curious hands were to get hold of this, it would pull right off of the monitor itself. This is also one of the mounts that we use. It can stick to a wall. It can also go to the top of a crib, or it can sit on a tabletop surface. And we are going to be using this on my daughter's crib tonight, so you'll be joining me later once she goes to sleep. Now this is beta test software, so it doesn't always work the way you want it to. And now that I've sufficiently demolished your expectations, let's take a look at it. So I hop on the web page here and just log in with my email and password. And once I'm into my portal, I can actually see the different monitors that I have assigned to me. And I just have 2. I'm going to click on the one that's online. And there is my daughter sleeping in her crib. So there's the bars of her crib, and there she is, and her head. And she looks a little bit washed out. So let me just change some of the camera stuff here. I'll make this full screen. And let's look at the breathing waveform. So there she is, taking deep breaths, and regular breaths too. And yeah, it's pretty compelling. There's little dots here, these little orange dots that show every time she takes a breath. So it's just hard to argue with a waveform like that. I mean, that's about as clear as breathing can get. So let me explain that once again, the breathing is being detected by the camera itself. We're not actually emitting any kind of infrared, or, well, I mean, we're not emitting any kind of thermal or radio type of signal. This is using just whatever is being seen by the camera. It is using infrared illumination, but it's infrared that's not seen by the eyes. It's not doing any harm to the eyes. We're not emitting excessive infrared in the lumen, no more than what a normal light bulb would emit. But now we have the ability to see in the dark, even though to the baby and to us it appears entirely dark. But now you can see regular breathing just by observing tiny little motions happening on the on like her clothing. So you can see maybe in the ruffles here, if you looked really closely, you'd see it just changing ever so slightly, just minute changes according to the way her abdomen's moving back and forth. This actually can run on a phone as well, so don't worry if you're not prepared to use a browser for the rest of your life when it comes to monitoring. We intend parents to mostly be using an iPhone or Android, but this is the easiest way for us to begin developing. This is showing us here the actual live breathing waveform, and if you can see here, I can toggle between, if I don't want to see that, I can just remove it. But it is pretty compelling. From what appears to be almost a still video, you can actually see breathing, little breaths being taken in every 1 to 2 seconds here. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer those for you. If you would like to be part of the development of Smartbeat, just go to mysmartbeat.com and sign up to be a beta tester. For a nominal fee, you can actually own this hardware and use it in your home. Having your feedback is just going to make this a better monitor for everyone. So, thanks for watching.